Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and the press bell icon for more latest tech videos. First of all guys, you should go to the setting app and then click on accessibility and then click on display, and you should scroll down and then click on color or filters, and then you should be he is on, you should be is click on off. Your problem is fixed. So guys, first solution is not working, and then second number solution. So guys, tap the back and you tap on setting again and then click on accessibility and tap on zoom, and then should be zoom app is off. I have already off, and then it should be zoom app is off. And the number third number third solution, press the volume and power button and your iPhone is off, and then you should be on, and your problem is fixed. Your problem is any third solution is not working on your iPhone. Number fourth solution, reset all setting, and then click on again setting, and then click on general, and then click on transfer or reset, and then click on reset, and then click on reset all setting. Then he is given of your mobile password, and then your problem is fixed, and your iPhone is should be properly working. And fix iPhone black and white screen problem on iPhone. Any iOS decks it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix it when your iPhone screen turns black and white. If video is helpful for you, please do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.